Good morning, traders. Keith Harrington II here with an update for the video that I did a couple of days ago. We're going to start off here with gasoline. I was actually taken out of this position. I was short. And I got just barely taken out up here on this wick during the news that came out yesterday. I think it was a little bit more than that, though, too, because price began to rally, hours before the news actually came out. So whatever the reason was, it ended up taking me out and I'm out of that position. But I did get an opportunity to add on to my US500 earlier on as the news was coming out. We got this spike up right up in here, and I was able to open up a position there, and I closed it to offset this gasoline loss. So still at, and I actually gained a little bit. So I'm up a little bit for the week this time because of that. But before I get into US 500, let me go to coffee. This was the longer play that I was looking at. You see, we had this long-term pullback back here to this previous resistance area, which is now support. Price action is just chopping around. I entered here off of this piercing pattern, long tail piercing pattern rejection of support. But this was also an inside bar. So as you can see, we're still trading inside of this mother candle range. We did peak up above it yesterday, but ultimately we closed just below the high, closer to the highs of the daily candle, but below the mother candle high. And today we're seeing a bit of pressure to the downside. So I'm just under break even at the moment on my coffee position. And finally, US 500. We did get a nice, we got an initial push up during the news yesterday. A lot of volatility during that time, but at the end of the day, price just crashed. We fell right into this support area here, this minor support that I have on the 6-hour time frame. Closed inside of that support, and we closed very close to the low of the day. After the new day had opened, we chopped around for a few hours inside of the range, nothing above or below. So I figured, okay, if we can make a new low below this actual low right here, then that would be a good risk reward entry for me to enter here on a new low, stop above the previous high, and still target the same area that I'm targeting on my original position. So far it's working out well. We got that new low, triggered my entry, and I'm just waiting to see if we can continue this pressure downwards for this session. There is another minor support area here that was initiated, but never confirmed yet. So this will be the first area that I'll be looking for, or that I'll be looking at price to see how it reacts if we get there. So that's just a quick update of what I'm looking at today and what's been going on since I opened up my positions. We have today and tomorrow, and then the week is finished. Tomorrow we have NFP, which is always high volatility. So it shouldn't affect me too much. I'm positioned well going into it. I'm looking to move this second position down to break even as soon as we get here. So, so far everything is going well, and that's what I have for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like what you saw in this video, I do have a book. The link is down in the description box. It's called Candlestick Trader, Trading Basics Using Reversal Candlestick Patterns. Just a very basic book to give you a foundation on where you can start and how to help you become a more effective and simpler and organized trader. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Happy trading.